talking about money matters, sadly, a lot of people don't have any idea on how to manage their money. Now, financial literacy is very important, especially if you want to manage your money properly. If you want to grow that money, you need to know how to invest. A lot of financial experts say that starting early is the best way to build your wealth. Fortunately for us, we have Fitz Villafuerte, the founder of Wealth-Archy, who will teach us how to grow your wealth, our wealth, and possibly get rich. Hi, Sir Fitz, and welcome to our show. Thank you for being our expert for today.
And thank you for inviting me, and I'm very excited to be here.
Now, let's begin talking about investing and in its most basic definition. What is investing?
Para sa akin, investing is about protecting your money. We all know that inflation exists, and inflation is part of a healthy economy. So, kung yung prices ng mga bagay, it increases in value every year, but we're not investing our money, we're actually losing the value of our cash. And the only way to beat inflation is to invest our money. Plus, if you just save your money, it will take many years before mo mabili yung mga gusto mong bilhin. So, when you invest your money, there's a financial product like an investment that helps you grow your money so that you can afford yung mga gusto mong bilhin in the future without you just saving money. Kasi masyadong matagal kung nag-iipon ka lang. Dapat meron kang investment na nag-grow din yung money mo nun. It's money working for you.
I'm a little surprised to hear inflation in such phrasing. Kasi usually we blame everything on inflation, na, diba? We buy something expensive and then you justify it as, inflation kasi. But that's another nice way to look at it.
Inflation is part of a healthy economy. The thing is, dapat hindi sobrang taas. In fact, 2 to 3% per year na increase in prices is part of a healthy economy. But how much does your money grow in a savings account? It's less than 2 to 3%. That's why you need an investment so that your money can grow more than 3%, which means you're not losing the purchasing power of your money.
Now, we'll talk about different types of investments.
In general, you can categorize them into three. Yung mga short-term investments, medium-term investments, and long-term investments. Pag sinabi nating depende kung gaano katagal yung investment, it's also asking yourself, kailan mo ba gagamitin yung pera na ini-invest mo? Because once you know kung kailan yung target date ng paggamit mo ng pera, it's easier to decide on what specific type of investment you will put your money in. For example, if you have money na plano ko to pang overseas vacation ko next year, pang travel fund ko next year. So that's a short-term investment. Basta 2 years or less. Ngayon, ano ba yung mga short-term investments? Merong mga time deposit, yung mga high interest savings na digital banks, tapos mga money market fund. So, since itong pera na to, it's for a short-term goal, I will put it in a short-term investment. Bahala na ako kung ano yung gusto ko or ano yung accessible sa akin, kung time deposit ba, or digital bank, or money market fund. So, sa medium-term investment, if you're planning to use the money in 2 to up to 7 years, pwede ka sa mga moderate or medium-term investment na may moderate risk, such as bonds, mga balance funds, very popular sa mga OFWs, yung Pag-ibig MP2. Tapos, yung long-term investments naman, usually ito na yung pag yung pera sinisave mo for your retirement or for buying a house 10 years from now. Basta, beyond 7, 10 years or more, it's already a long-term investment. And ang magandang choice dyan ay stock market, equity fund, etc. But in general, all investments, pwede mo siyang makategorize into that three, short-term, medium-term, and long-term. But it's hard to decide kung ano yung magandang investment kung hindi mo alam yung goal mo. So you have to know ano yung purpose ng pera, specifically, kailan mo siya gagamitin.
So I hope that's clear to all you guys. I know this is a little intimidating at first. I personally feel like investments are, I don't know, jargon for me, and we all know that we need to have it, but na-intimidate tayo to try and understand it and to dive into it. But today is the chance kasi nandito na si Sir Fritz.